Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance topics to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to deposit money from Bank of America to Zelle in 2025. With Zelle being a super convenient way to send money quickly, this guide will help you transfer funds seamlessly, whether you're splitting a bill with friends or paying a family member. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Bank of America account is linked to Zelle. In 2025, most major banks like Bank of America have fully integrated Zelle, but double-check by logging into your Bank of America app or website. If it's not set up, you'll need to enroll. It's usually just a quick verification step using your phone number or email. Step 1. Open the Bank of America mobile app on your smartphone or head to their website on your computer. Log in with your credentials to access your account dashboard. Security is key, so use two-factor authentication if prompted. Next, navigate to the Transfers or Zelle section. In the app, look for the Zelle icon. It's often prominently featured. If you're on the website, find it under Payments or Send Money. Once there, you'll see an option to add a recipient. Enter their email address or phone number, and Zelle will verify it. Now, for the fun part. Enter the amount you want to send. Add a memo if you like, to note what the payment is for. It helps keep things organized. Review all the details carefully to avoid mistakes, then hit Send. In 2025, transactions are even faster, often completing in minutes. One quick tip. Keep an eye on any potential fees. Bank of America might have limits on daily transfers, so plan accordingly. Also, ensure the recipient has a Zelle-enabled bank account for smooth delivery. And that's it. You've successfully deposited money from Bank of America to Zelle. This process is straightforward and secure, making it perfect for everyday use. If you run into any issues, contact Bank of America's support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more finance tips. See you next time.